right, this is Teal, who is now Leia, and she is very exploratory. And we're not sure she's going to keep her white toes. We think it might fade, but she has beautiful colorings across her chest as well, and her face, of course, her little cheeks and her little eyebrows. She's an active little girl so far. There you go. And she says, hi. Look how cute I am. All right, this is Mr. Purple, and he is now R2-D2. So his name is R2 now. He's all black. He was our last born, and he came out backwards, but he is catching right up. In fact, he's super, super playful right now, and he's got nice grown. He's grown up really well. Very, very calm, but loves to play now that he's out exploring, and he's doing really well. He's got a beautiful head too. Hey, buddy. Yes, good boy. Okay, and here we have Miss Blue, whose new name is now Zori Bliss. So we're going to call her Bliss. And she is all black. And she is a pretty good sized girl. And she is super calm. And she reminds me the most so far of Chipsy. Those of you who are lucky enough to know Chipsy. She reminds me a lot of Chipsy, very calm and collected about everything. She plays nice and hard, but she's level-headed and she's quite fun. She really likes to sleep a lot because she's growing quite a bit. But yeah, so there's Bliss. Hey. There you go. Hey, sweetie. And this is Red. And Red, her name is now Rogue. She's a little girl. And Rogue has the white stripe on her chest, which we're not sure is going to stick around. But she's got beautiful colorings again across her chest and her paws. She's a little bit different colors on her paws. Her favorite pastimes include sleeping, eating, and playing in the pen. Okay.
Hey, this is Mr. Green.
Yeah, this is Mr. Green, now known as Tuscan Raider. Is going to be his registered name.
See my nice paws.
And he has the lightest colors. And he's got nice colors across his chest and his little feet. And his favorite pastimes include napping and wrestling with his brother, the little black boy, Mr. Purple. Come here. Let's be here. Whoop. Hi, bud. Okay. So this is Yellow, little girl. Her name is Kessel now. And she is super sweet, and they all are at this age. She's very typey, lots of brown and nice eyes, eyebrows, and cheeks. She's very cute. Her favorite pastime right now is wrestling with her brother, Mr. Blue. See her little feet there. Oh, I missed the yawn. Yeah, she's nice and calm also. She's very sweet. She's very, very sweet on the face. Yeah, good girl. This is Orange. And he is now Finn. And he's got some interesting little frosting going on in his ends of his fur. You can see a little bit on his chest. And he's very dark. Yeah, you can see the frosting. Oh, big yawns. So this is Orange, and Finn, his new name is Finn. And he is very people-friendly so far. Loves to cuddle and comes right up. They're all really friendly, but seems very attracted to people so far. And again, that's Finn.